Let's see how we can create layered image with text using our ZenBasket Builder. Create a new blank section in ZenBasket Builder. Increase the height of the blank section. Click on Add Elements. Choose Heading 1 under the heading text and drag and drop it into the section. Click the control slider icon to open its properties. Select Typography. Choose Center for content alignment. Select the header font family and choose the font color from the theme colors. Now, the heading text is ready. Let's bring in the background and images to build the layered look. Click Add Elements. Go to the Basic tab, grab the box element, and drag and drop it into the section. Make the box taller and wider to turn it into a background. Then, click the slider icon, head to Background Overlays, and set the background color to None. Once more, drag and drop another box into that background space to add images. Click on Borders and Shadows and enter the pixels. Then enter the pixel values top left or the top right and bottom left, bottom right. Once that is set up, right-click on the image to open the pop-up menu and click Duplicate. This lets you duplicate the images for that section quickly. Now, let's add the static content alongside it. Click Add Elements. Go to the Basic tab and drag a box element into the section. Then, adjust the box size to fit the text. Click the slider icon. Go to Background Overlays to set the background color to None. Go to Borders and Shadows to set up the pixels. After that, drag Heading 2 from the heading text under the Basic tab into the box and enter the text. Then, click the slider icon to open its properties. Under Typography, set the width to Fit to Content, select the font family, and choose a theme color. After setting up the heading, drag a button from the Basic tab into the box. Click the slider icon, go to Background Overlays to set the button color, and use Typography to change the text color. Enter the button text and adjust the width to fit the content. Then, once the text and button are modified, shrink the container box size to tightly fit the content. After resizing, go to Layout and Position and set the position to Sticky. This keeps the content static on the screen while the images scroll.